Alright, today we're going to go over how your body heals. And first of all, I'll start with this circle right here. This is going to represent your body. Then above that, I'm going to draw this circle that represents the organ in your body that controls everything. Now, there's one organ that controls every cell, every tissue, and every function that occurs in your body. And of course, you've probably guessed it, that's your brain. So the brain controls everything through a series of roadways or pathways. Can you guess what that's called? Of course, those roadways or pathways that connect the brain to the body are called the nerves or the nervous system. Now, this is the big communication system in the body, and when that works at 100%, our body is in normal function. So I'll go ahead and write function right here on the board. So when the brain controls the body through this communication system without any interference, it works at 100% and our body functions properly. And when that happens, our body's in a state of harmony, everything's working together, and we call that a state of ease in the body. So this is the model of health. This is what we want for you. Now, the problem comes is when we start to get interference in this communication system. So, in these nerves here, if the messages that are being sent from the brain down to the body, if those get interfered with, obviously the parts of the body are not going to function properly. We end up with what's called malfunction. And that just means bad function, malfunction in the body. And when we start to malfunction, our body's no longer in a state of ease. It can no longer operate that way, so we have what's called dis-ease in the body. Now typically this is all going to happen before you feel any kind of symptoms, any kind of pain or discomfort. Just like many other diseases in the body that you can have without even knowing it, such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, even a cold or flu takes a couple days for your body to break down before you actually start to feel the symptoms of it. So this will all happen before you feel any kind of discomfort. And many times these things happen over a series of months or years before someone will ever have back pain, headaches, neck pain, things such as those. So of course the last thing to show up are the symptoms. And if you're watching this, those symptoms are probably going to be neck pain or back pain, sciatica. And what we know now is that by the time we actually get the symptoms, our body's at about 40% or less in that area of our body. Because that body has been breaking down over years with malfunction and dis-ease before it ever gets to those symptoms. So by the time you get that, this has been going on for quite some time.